In this video, we're going to learn about multiplication. So if we have a problem that says multiply 5 times 10, and you have to enter your answer here, you need to remember maybe what 5 times 10 is, or you can calculate it in your head. You could try to picture it, and it would look like 5 rows of 10 dots. So try to picture that. It would look like this. So we have 5 rows here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there's 10 dots. If you count all the dots, you'll find out that there's 50 dots total. So the answer to this question would be 50. So we could write that in. And eventually you will be memorizing these multiplications. So you won't have to use these models for very much longer. And the goal is to become good at memorizing some of these multiplications. Another way to do this problem is to use a number line that skip counts by 10. So you could see here that this number line skip counts by 10. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So the way we could do this multiplication with the number line is you start at 0 and you jump 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I've jumped 5 times. I'm at 50. So that's the answer to this multiplication problem of 5 times 10. And eventually the goal is, if you do this enough, if you rewind the video and just try to memorize the multiplication tables, that's the goal.